My name is Barry Cohen. I'm a lawyer here in Tampa. Last week, an African-American family came in to see me. They said, "Mr. Cohen, please help us. We need your help." I said, "Well, tell me a little bit about you and what problem you want me to help you with." They said, "We moved here from Louisiana because of Katrina. We moved here with our 10-year-old daughter and 14-year-old son, Andrew Jr., whose nickname was Pee-wee. Pee-wee was a straight-A student at St. Stephen's Catholic Church. He was a running back on the Brandon Ravens football team, made a big difference, turned the team around, was a local hero in his own school, loved by everybody because he was a quality kind of a guy. He went to the fair a Friday ago. They had some trouble at the fair because the school system invited 100,000 kids from the public schools there that day. There were some issues. But unfortunately, the authorities didn't distinguish between who was involved in some bad conduct and who wasn't. And little Andrew went up to help a friend, and he was asked, "Do you know these guys?" And he said, "Yeah, he's my friend." "Well, you get over here and stand over here too." He was ultimately thrown out because he was piled in the middle of a group of kids where he shouldn't have been put. He and a little 12-year-old buddy of his. They were locked up, handcuffed and shackled, and driven away to a space away from the fair. They were never accused of a crime. They didn't do anything wrong. Andrew had an impeccable background. Never in juvenile court, an honor student, an athlete, and loved by everybody. And sadly, he was killed on the highway shortly after he was ejected from the fair. The family says, "Please help us." And I'm asking you, the public, to help me help them. I'm asking you to put away the conspiracy of silence. If you're a police officer or a Florida Highway Patrol and you know something that this family would really like to know, just like you would want done for you if it were you or your child. And I'm asking the African-American children who are out there and the Caucasian children, vendors, anybody who has any knowledge about this, to step up to the plate and let me have the information that may get to the truth and get to the bottom of this. We're not going to rely on just what's in the reports. We know how that goes. We've played that game before. We're going to look for people who know the truth. And we're going to look for people who are willing to help us. We're going to spend whatever amount of money we need to spend. That's not the object here. We're going to get to the bottom of this. And I'm going to start out by appealing to those of you in this community to help this family get justice. That's what I live for. That's what I've worked all my life for. I want to make a difference and to continue to make a difference. And I've made a difference in a lot of families. Black families, white families, doesn't make a bit of difference to me. That's who I am. Help me. Step up to the plate and help me make a difference. Thank you so, so much. I look forward to hearing from you. If you want to remain anonymous, you'll remain anonymous. I just need the information. Thank you again on behalf of Deanna and Andrew Joseph and what they want for their little boy who's no longer here to speak to what happened. You have to speak for him and help me speak for him. Thanks again.